I want to talk to you about the best flat rate cashback credit cards. So, if you're looking for a cashback credit cards, but you're mostly interested in having a flat rate cashback credit card, here are the top cards I want you to pay attention to. Number one, I want you to think about the Wells Fargo Active Cash. So, the cool thing about the Wells Fargo Active Cash is that not only do you have a very high flat rate cashback credit card, but you also have an intro APR. So it's kind of rare to have this combination, to have a high flat rate with an intro APR. So the possibility of actually, what I call the possibility of flexibility. Okay. So you have the ability to choose either or. So the Wells Fargo Active Cash card remains actually one of the highest earning flat rate cash rewards cards on the market, letting you earn 2% on every purchase without having to track or activate categories. Okay, that's kind of cool because those rotating categories can be annoying when it comes to tracking them, when it comes to actually making sure you choose the right one based on the quarter, right? Because those rotating categories are actually fluctuating every quarter, right? That's the essence of that's the whole thing about rotating. So this Wells Fargo Active Cash card also comes with generous benefits, but generous benefits like cell phone protection, auto rental collision damage waiver. You have roadside assistance, and you also have Visa signature perks. And but guess what? All those beautiful benefits come for no annual fee. So Wells Fargo is not charging you like an annual fee to actually enjoy those benefits. And this card also comes with a 0% APR intro offer for 12 months in case you need to make, let's say, a big purchase or even carry a balance. After that, you can choose an APR. You can choose. You will be given an APR that goes from 19% all the way to 29%. Okay. So the cool thing is that you could apply actually for this card in time for a big purchase. That's what I love. Okay, and so you will get it, and you will get the 2% flat rate too. If you're looking for the best flat rate cashback credit cards, I want you to think about the Citi Double Cash. This is another wonderful flat rate cashback credit card on the market. Okay, and so this card is great for the highest flat rate if you pay on time. So you got to pay on time. So with Citi Double Cash, you got to have a certain you got to maintain a certain discipline in terms of your card repayment practice. So comparable to the Wells Fargo Active Cash card, this Citi Double Cash card offers 2% cash back on every purchase. Again, every purchase. There is no need to actually track any rotating categories. There are no rotating categories. Okay. The only caveat here is that with the Citi Double Cash, you will get 1% when you make the purchase, and the other 1% when you pay it off. Okay. So this makes this card a good option if you consistently pay your balance on time. So with a lengthy 0% intro APR on balance transfers, can you imagine 18 months? 18 months. You could also use this card you can use this card to consolidate any other credit card debt while earning rewards. So this is kind of cool because it gives you flexibility. Just keep in mind there is actually there is a balance transfer fee, okay, of 3% on each transfer, and the minimum here is $5. So if you complete this balance transfer within the first 4 months of account opening, you will have to pay the 3% fee. But the cool thing is you will get the lengthy 0% intro APR on balance transfers. Okay, ideally you want to zero out your balance by the end of the intro period, because if you don't, you'll have to pay the normal APR, which goes from 18% to 28%. So overall, this card is pretty interesting. Okay, as long as you have a habit of paying off your balance on time, because if you don't pay off the balance, you won't get half of the rewards cashback. So it will be only 1%. Okay, so if you want to get the 2%, make sure you pay the full balance by the due date. If you're looking for the best flat rate cashback credit cards, I also want you to think about the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards. And this is another fantastic flat rate cashback credit card. And this card is great for flexible rewards redemption. And Capital One has actually has set up this card this way because this is a card that offers not only a solid rewards rate, but also a welcome bonus, balance transfer options, okay, and intro APR for cardholders who may want to stick with Capital One. So this kind of helps if you are like a regular card holder or a long time card holder, Capital One card holder. The good thing is you will earn 1.5% cash back with no strategizing required, and you can redeem that cash back as a check, statement credit, gift card, or online purchase, or you can even convert it to miles if you have a Capital One travel card, okay? Like if you have a Capital One Quicksilver X, for instance, you can actually convert those, you can convert the cash back into miles, okay? And if you convert into miles and you actually happen to let's say book a flight through the Capital One travel portal, the value of those miles will be even higher. Okay, you also are able to earn easy cash back and a $200 welcome bonus by spending $500 on your card in the first 3 months. So in the first 90 days, if you spend $500 minimum, you are able to get $200 cash back right away. So this is kind of cool. And the cool thing, even better, if you have a travel card in a Capital One family, you can convert your cash back into miles that are redeemable with Capital One Travel or transfer partners. Okay. So one thing I want to say here that this is a great card, but just make sure that you're actually having the right conversion. Otherwise, you'll be leaving money on the table, and you do not want to leave money on the table. Okay. Also, this card's flat rate is not as high as the comparable cars that I just spoke about earlier, but because this card is giving you only 1.5%, whereas the City Double Cash or the Wells Fargo Active Cash is giving you they are giving you 2%. If you're looking for a flat rate cashback credit card, I want you to think about the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards. So this card is actually pretty great in terms of cashback, but only if you are a Bank of America loyal customers. Okay, this is the Bank of America has actually has a baked into this offer the ability to reward their customers. Sorry about that. To reward their customers, their existing customers. So it really helps to have a pre-existing relationship with Bank of America before actually using this card, or at least before applying for this card. Okay, the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards actually allows you to earn 1.5% cashback, 1.5% cashback rewards, and so that's really good. And but Bank of America preferred rewards members with at least $20,000 across their accounts can reap a boosted 1.87 to 2.62% cashback. So the more money you store at the Bank of America account, the more cashback you will receive. So this goes back to what I said a little earlier, that Bank of America is trying to reward their existing customers, especially the ones who are actually putting more money with them. Okay. And this card also offers a 0% intro APR for the first 15 billing cycles, then an 18% to 28% variable APR on purchases and balance transfers, and any balance transfers made within the first 60 days. Okay. Now, having said that, you need to actually you need to account for a 3% balance transfer fee. Okay. So the percentage actually is a 3% for 60 days from account opening. Then it becomes 4%. Okay. So just in your mind, if you have to do a balance transfer, you want to do it as soon as possible. But the cool thing is that you can earn a decent rewards rate and welcome bonus for no annual fee and even more rewards. Okay. if you currently bank with Bank of America and you save actually with them as well. Okay, as you can see, they're trying to really incentivize you to save with them big time, because when they say you can earn 1.87 to 2.62% cash back as the Bank of America preferred rewards member, that just means they want you to really save with them more. So minimum $20,000. If you're looking for a wonderful flat rate cashback credit card, I want you to think about a newcomer in this space, and this is the Upgrade Cash Rewards. And so this Upgrade Cash Rewards credit card is great if you wanna. It's great for financing over time. And what I mean by that is that you're able to split your payments across several, like over several months or weeks, okay, or even years if that's what you want, okay. And sorry, let me just drink some water here. Sorry about that. So what I'm trying to say here is that this card is actually pretty good, because if you need to make a large purchase and want to pay, let's say, a lower interest installments over a longer period of time, all while earning a flat 1.5% cash back on purchases, this Upgrade Cash Rewards Visa is actually pretty good. It's a great option. I mean, Upgrade, when they started, this is a fintech that started doing loans. They started actually offering loans, and then they actually veered into the credit card space. Okay, so they do have experience lending when it comes to lending products. Okay, and the cool thing about the Upgrade Cash Rewards Visa is that it offers up to $25,000 in credit limit. That's pretty good for a newcomer, $25,000. And also, it offers fixed repayments in a set time frame, like a personal loan. That's why some people actually they liken this product to a line of credit, to a personal line of credit. So, and you may be able to secure a lower interest rates of 14% to 29%. So this is really good. So through the Upgrade Cash Rewards Visa, you can earn a standard flat rate reward rate on every purchase, and also a welcome bonus for no annual fee. And with excellent credit, you could secure a lower interest rate and plenty of time to pay off a large purchase, similar to a personal loan. So this is really cool. The only drawback is that the rewards redemption options are limited, and you won't be able to transfer for travel, points, or miles. So if you're looking for another flat rate cashback credit card, I want you to think about the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This is a wonderful credit card to really think about this year, especially if you need to like if you're looking for bonus categories. This card is great for flat rate and bonus categories. Okay, and so while the Chase Freedom Unlimited is technically a bonus category cashback card, it offers actually something very, very good, and that is a competitive catch-all rate of 1.5% on non-bonus categories. So that means what? That means that you don't have to really track categories. You don't have to rotate categories if you don't want to, because it is a catch-all rate. Okay. In addition, you will earn 5% on Chase travel and Lyft purchases, and 3% on dining and drugstore purchases. So for credit card minimalist, this card could only be the one that you want if you want to keep things in your wallet in a minimalist way. Okay, or you can even pair it. You can pair it with the travel card too. It depends on what you want to have. Okay, so that's really fine. So this card allows you to earn as much cash back on everyday purchases as you would with some flat rate card, some flat rate cards, while also reaping extra rewards on bonus categories. And you can also redeem your rewards with Chase travel purchases, or a or a transfer partner, or as a statement credit, gift card, or other cashback options. So this is really good from a flexibility point of view. And the only thing is that earning and redeeming rewards with this card gets more complicated with a standard flat, like it gets more complicated than with a standard flat rate card. So those are the top 6 flat rate cashback credit cards to really think about this year, okay? Let me give you a few generalities here. So when it comes to choosing a flat rate cashback credit card, you need to understand that you want to pay attention to the rewards rate, because if you're simply trying to earn the highest possible flat rate, one of the 2% cards is the way to go, unless you happen to have let's say $50,000 or more in Bank of America accounts, which can earn you at least 2.25% with the unlimited cash rewards card. So with the highest flat rate cards, you don't have to pay attention to spending categories, redemption options, or other card perks. As long as you pay your balance on time, you'll get easy cash back for every purchase. You also have a welcome bonus spending requirements. So the cards that I just shared with you into this conversation, basically the spending requirements range from $500 to $1,500 in a set time frame. So you want to make sure you can reach the requirements for the card you want, so you don't miss out on free money. You have redemption options. So some cashback cards only offer redemption options like statement credits, direct deposits, or gift cards. And notably, half of rewards cardholders, like 50%, prefer cashback rewards, okay? And you have also, according to research, by the way, and you have also financing needs. So that's something to really think about as well, okay? So if you think about the flat rate cashback credit cards that I just shared with you in today's conversation, you have a lot of categories to pay attention to: groceries, dining, gas stations, transportation and rideshare, travel and entertainment. Okay. But the cool thing is that you don't have to track those categories every month anymore, because they're flat rate. Okay. And this is really good. The one thing I want to say is that you can do a lot with a cashback credit card, because you typically have a number of redemption options for your cashback. Okay, some cardholders apply directly to their balance as a statement credit, a straightforward, albeit less exciting option. You may also be able to get your cash as a check or direct deposit, or use it to cover a purchase with certain online retailers. If your card issuer partners with your favorite retailers, you can secure actually a gift card. So that's really good. Finally, some issuers will let you use your cashback to book travel through the travel portal, and that's actually a pretty good. Like if you get a, like for instance, you can go through the Capital One travel portal and actually convert your cashback into miles, for instance, and that's how you can maximize your flat rate cashback card, among others. Okay, but one thing for sure, the best way to maximize a flat rate cashback card is actually by using it to pay for every spending categories that don't typically earn boosted rewards with other bonus category cards, right? So that's really good from a flexibility point of view. And this might include utility bills, daycare, or medical procedures. So, in conclusion to this conversation, I'll share with you the best flat rate cashback credit cards. So, the top cards include the Wells Fargo Active Cash, Citi Double Cash, Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards, Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards, Upgrade Cash Rewards, and Chase Freedom Unlimited. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.